owned by Larry Pike of Birch City, or of Atwood. Looks like Alex is trying to have fun out there. These next tractors were one of the early four-wheel drive. This was the late Ernie Kepner's idea, or Ernie Bressler's idea. Everybody else was getting these big four-wheel drive tractors, so he took two Massey 55s and engineered his own four-wheel drive tractor. And it was a very impressive four-wheel drive tractor. Everything is controlled from the backside, all on hydraulics. Massey 55. Maybe you can bring it up here in the shade, right up here. This is a Model 8N